The video surveillance camera PNI IP4MP, compatible with PNI House IP808 NVR, is a complete kit that records the events at 4 megapixels resolution, offering real-time clear images. The NVR PNI House IP808 supports up to 8 cameras with 4 megapixels resolution that can be connected with the help of a router and can be controlled through the smartphone using XMI application, compatible with Android and iOS, or through the PC using the software found on the CD in the package. The NVR is equipped with HDMI and VGA video output, USB 2.0 interface for downloading data to a USB stick, and RJ45 port for connecting to the internet. The analog camera PNI IP4MP is equipped with 4 megapixel sensor, 36 IR LEDs, metal chassis and IP66 waterproof glass, thus being suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. For a flawless functioning, we recommend using dedicated CCTV hard disks that are designed for 24/7 recordings. Included in the NVR package is a remote control, power feeder, mouse and software CD.